When you enter a sensitive area or start an important meeting, push the toggle switch on the side of the PNC660 upwards to turn on the security key feature. Then PNC660 enters the meeting mode. This protects confidential information from disclosure, unauthorized access, and more. In meeting mode, your camera and microphone are off, your location information is restricted only to whitelist apps, and you are unable to enter any text. Now, let's show you how security key works. When you open the camera, it will stay off to prevent live image capture. When you open the sounder recorder and tap the record button, the microphone is disabled to protect any conversation from being recorded. When you open the application that is not on the whitelist, such as GPS test, this app cannot obtain satellite signals and location data. This avoids unwanted location tracking. When you open the Supernote and tap the plus button, tap the input box. Now the input method is disabled. This prohibits any on-site content from being recorded in text and leaked. After you finish the meeting or leave the sensitive area, just push the toggle switch downwards. Now, security key feature is off, and PNC660 exits the meeting mode. That's how to use security key.